Today I got a great video for you. We are going to race my Denali. It's a 17 Denali with the 8-speed. It's a 6.2 liter 8-speed versus Mike's Turbo Silverado. And that is tuned. This is stock. We're gonna find out which one's faster from a dig, from a roll. We're gonna see. Let's get to it. I'm gonna go banter him right now into having this fun race. So wish me luck.
Gonna f your day up, Mike.
I mean, I'm heavier, but I'll probably have more horsepower.
So what we're talking about is Mike's Duramax with a tune versus my stock Denali. I think the stock Denali is going to romp his world.
Oh,
I mean, that thing's way heavier. It's got a lot more torque. It definitely has a lot more torque. But it also is only 4 speeds?
5 speed. Ah, 4 speed, yeah. It's limited to like, gear limited to like 90 mile an hour.
I mean, mine's like 100. So
Yeah.
I say that we do 2 races. We go into the back of the Mexican Kmart parking lot and do a dig race.
Okay.
And then we do like a 40-mile-per-hour roll. And then we might have to do a tiebreaker if like
if you win one, I win one.
yeah, we might have to do a tiebreaker.
Okay.
So we should do dig race. Try to get like 330 feet or something like that.
Yeah.
Like maybe I don't know how much room we're gonna have.
Yeah,
I don't know how.
Probably 330.
How's your truck stop?
That's great.
Oh, okay. Well, then we're good. We're great. Write in the comments before we show it. Who do you guys have your money on? And then edit your comment when you see, because we're gonna find out. I got Denali all day.
Nope.
So I feel like Mike is about to find out the power of the Denali. He's got like, I don't know, another 2,000 pounds plus. I sent Josh with him, so another 2,000 pounds. And but he's all about his torque. We're gonna do 2 things. We're gonna go from a dig. We're gonna find out if from a dig he can out-launch me and how far, and then we're gonna do a roll. If we have to have a tiebreaker, we're gonna figure out how to do a long dig.
Now begins the adventure to Mexico.
I think here's a good spot for a short little dig.
You ready for this?
Yeah. Oh, I just turned parking assist off. I want traction control off. 4-wheel drive on, even though I don't think I need it. Oh, the Denali's gonna fucking take it from the roll.
Oh yeah.
You'll probably get me on the roll, but we'll go. Go ahead.
We're gonna go a little bit further into Mexico here, and then slow down to 40 kilometers per hour.
Goes 80 knots an hour.
Denali, bitch.
Well, she's all low end. She's a big girl. She only likes low end.
So what do you think? We need a tiebreaker, don't we?
We can't let them have the 1 win without 2 losses. But I mean, the only thing that we could do tiebreaker-wise is like a tractor pull, which I don't want to do that. Where's my 4 ways? There they are. Is he doing a race or flyby?
All right, now time for the toe.
Toe off?
Toe off. Chain up.
I got bald tires. Look, I got race or flyby.
Oh, what a douche.
But it's weird because it only revs at 3,500, so it doesn't need like a big turbo. But I definitely want to do a bigger single on it.
Or be the awesome guy and do compounds.
There's a rad fan.
Now go straight through that and jump it.
Just jump it. Ah, shit, little.
Jump it. It literally drops off.
I gotta do 2-wheel drive. No, you can stay in 4. Yeah! Bitch! Fuck, we're gonna I might have jumped him a little bit.
Let the viewers decide if you red lighted.
Did I jump? You guys tell me, because I might have jumped a little bit. So the real question is going to be, if we swapped passengers, what would happen? So I do have a bunch of shit in here. I got like car seats and car seats and car seats, and then a bunch of shit in the trunk.
The car seats are empty, right?
Oh, I hope so. Oh man, if they're not empty, I'm gonna have a real bad day. Do a burnout!
All right, you're next.
Nope.
You think you jumped the last race?
I don't know. I actually tried launching with more boost and wasn't happy.
We won for style though. At that stop sign.
Yes, you did. Did you video?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
The first one we didn't get.
Yeah.
I'm like, stop being like Josh and get the footage.
I got everything.
Shut the fuck up, Josh. So guys, did you have fun with today's video? I sure did. I definitely want to mod the Denali more, and Mike wants to put a bigger turbo on. Maybe we'll do a little bit more of that. Looking for sponsors, if you know of anybody. Hey, Whipple, Magnuson, ProCharger. Let's see what we can do with my Denali. Adios, guys. Have a great day.